Hello, welcome to Infotainment channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your laptop as hotspot in Windows 10 with command prompt. Type this command as shown in the video. Okay, watch the video till the end to understand the program, and the program command is given in description below. Okay, let's get started. I hope you download the command as shown in the video. First of all, copy and rename the ssid name, Wi-Fi and password according to your desire as shown in the video. I am going to rename ssid as my Wi-Fi and password as 123456789 as demonstration. You can also make your desired one Wi-Fi name and password as shown in the video. I have copied this command netshwlan set hosted network mode equals allow ssid equals my Wi-Fi key equals 123456789. Now type cmd in your search box as shown in the video. And then open the command prompt as an administrator, then a black dialog box appears. You have to type that command, or you can paste this command as shown in the video. Press enter. As you can see, the hosted network has been created successfully. Now to start a hotspot, you need to type that command as shown in the video. Copy the command and paste in your command prompt dialog box as shown in the video.
As you can see, the hotspot network or Wi-Fi started. Okay, let's check it in smartphone to verify that hotspot or Wi-Fi connection. Now if you are not getting the internet connection, you need change the settings of your computer as shown in the video. Go to search box of start button, and then press Windows and R at the same time. And then type ncpa.cpl as shown in the video. After pressing OK, network setting appears. Now you need to change a setting according to your internet connection. If your internet connection is connected through Wi-Fi, you need to go to Wi-Fi properties by pressing the right click button, and then a dialog box appears as shown in the video, and tick the allow button, which shows the path of your hotspot for internet connection, and press apply. As you can see, you need to select the private network, or known as hosted network, so select the network as shown in the video. I didn't select Wi-Fi because my internet connection is from Ethernet cable, so I will change the settings in Ethernet cable. If your internet connection is connected through Ethernet cable, you need to go to Ethernet properties by pressing the right click button, and then a dialog box appears as shown in the video, and tick the allow button, which shows the path of your hotspot for internet connection, and press apply. Anyways, you can change your settings like Wi-Fi also, same as above video. Okay, let's check the connection in my smartphone. Okay, cool. Let's put the password of the Wi-Fi which we have created. Now you can see the Wi-Fi is getting connected, and let's play any video and check the internet connection. Cool. The Wi-Fi is connected. Now let's see the video from internet to verify our internet connection. As you can see, the internet is connected successfully, so I hope you have get an idea to make your laptop as an internet distributor among various people. So please like, share, subscribe to support me, and any confusion please comment down below. Thanks for watching Infotainment channel. Now to check the hotspot as our Wi-Fi to determine how many people are connected to our Wi-Fi, let's check it out. Type the command as shown in the video. As you can see the full details of your hosted network internet connection. You can manipulate your internet connection according to its details. Okay, now we have learned how to create a hosted network as Wi-Fi. After creation we have started, and then check the internet status in our smartphone. Now we will learn how to stop the Wi-Fi connection which we have hosted. Okay, then type and copy the command as shown in the video. Then paste or type that command in your command prompt area as shown in the video. And press enter. As you can see, the internet connection that we have created has been disappeared from our connected smartphone. I hope this video is informative. Please like, share, subscribe to support me, which enhances me to make like this informative video more. Take care, have a good time.